Hey guys, Start with Why here for part 2 of our series covering the particle no. So now, nasa number 3 na tayo, di ba? Number 3, you can use no to explain something. What do I mean by that? Take a sentence like, this is coffee from Colombia. In Japanese, that would be, これはコロンビアのコーヒーです。Sarap. Or take another sentence like, this book is about ikigai. In Japanese, that would be, これは生きがいの本です。Number 4. You can use no to explain where something is in relation to an object. So let's say, on top of the table would be 机の上, and underneath the table would be 机の下. And last but not least, number 5, ang last use ng no natin ay tinatawag sa English na apposition. So with sentences katulad ng this is my friend Hinata, you would say tomodachi no Hinata desu. Or kung magpapakilala ako ng sarili ko, I would say something like watashi wa sensei no start with Y desu. I am start with Y, a teacher. All right. I'm sure you guys have a bunch of questions for me, and I'm ready for you. Write them all down in the comment section, and let's have a discussion.